Is time travel possible? This question triggers an attraction that defies cultures and eras. From the penned chapters of H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to the exhilarating escapades in Back to the Future, the of time travel has been a riveting motif across various art forms. It fuels our minds and us, with the intriguing possibility of navigating through diverse periods, experiencing the progression of history up close, and even reshaping the sequence of incidents. Imagine having the power to traverse across centuries, to observe the birth of civilizations, the rise and fall of empires, the evolution of mankind, and the advent of technology. To witness firsthand the unfolding of monumental events that have shaped our world. To step into the shoes of a spectator, a participant, perhaps even a catalyst in the grand theater of life and time. This uncanny ability to leap across temporal spheres has held a profound allure for humans, sparking endless debates, theories, and speculations. Time travel, a concept that has captivated the minds of many for centuries. Einstein once said, "The distinction between the past, present, and future is only a stubbornly persistent illusion." This profound statement is a key to understanding time travel. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time and space intertwine into a single fabric known as space-time. What simultaneously for one observer could happen at disparate times for another. Imagine this concept. It's mind-blowing. Welcome to the mysteries of now. Let's venture into the cosmic enigma. Visualize wormholes, space-time tunnels. Predicted by general relativity, they could potentially provide shortcuts for extensive galactic journeys. Wormholes may well be our promising lead for feasible time travel. At this stage though, they're just theoretical. Yet we shouldn't abandon hope. Science is a constant cycle of evolution and inquiry. Could these scientific theories pave the way for time travel? From Marty McFly's time machine car to the Doctor's TARDIS, time travel is a popular topic in movies and TV shows. It's at the heart of many exciting stories. Picture Marty McFly in Back to the Future, traveling back to the 50s in his car, and changing his parents' love story by mistake. Imagine Doctor Who, where the Doctor travels through time and space in his special ship, the Interstellar, a unique story where Matthew McConaughey's character Cooper falls into a black hole and sees time a totally different way. These stories have not just caught our attention but have made us curious. They make us wonder about time travel. They have made us laugh and cry and made us ask questions. They have opened our minds to new ideas and changed how we think about time travel. These stories have made us very curious, making us about what time travel could be like. We've laughed, we've cried, and we've asked lots of questions. These stories have made us think more about time travel. In the realm of time travel, another fascinating aspect of Interstellar is its depiction of wormhole travel. The scene where spaceship Endurance enters a wormhole is truly a visual delight. The ship appears suspended in space, surrounded by a warped star field, a symbol of space-time distortion. This wasn't a mere cinematic decision but based on scientific theories. Theoretical physicist Kip Thorne, an Interstellar executive producer, guided this scene's scientific authenticity. According to him, a wormhole is a hypothetical cosmic shortcut, bridging distant points in space-time. The film visually interprets Thorne's theories by portraying the wormhole with spherical entrances and exits. The distorted light from stars bending around the wormhole is a direct result of Einstein's theory of general relativity. Interstellar visually explores what wormhole travel could look like, a concept that might enable time travel. While we aren't ready to journey through a wormhole yet, this cinematic representation does make us dream about the exciting possibilities that the future could hold. But what if I told you that time travel, in a sense, has already been achieved? Not in the traditional sense of jumping into a time machine and journeying into future years, but through the intriguing and mystifying science of time dilation. Let's explore this concept via an interesting scenario. A pair of twins, one remains on our home planet, Earth, while the other embarks on a cosmic journey, traveling at velocities nearing the speed of light. The theory of relativity, proposed by the renowned physicist Albert Einstein, suggests upon the space-traveling twin's return, he would still be biologically younger than his twin who remained on Earth. Termed as the twin paradox, this thought experiment toys with the intriguing concept of time dilation. We also have gravitational time dilation, an effect where gravity, the force that provides us stability on Earth, also manipulates time. The stronger the gravitational force, the slower time progresses. Therefore, it's true that your head is minutely older than your feet, due to the differential gravitational pull. These might not constitute a full-blown journey through time, but these experiments definitively challenge our perception of time. If time travel were possible, could you go back in time and prevent your own birth? This is what we call the grandfather paradox in the realm of hypothetical situations. Picture this: you decide to venture back in time and for some reason, you end up intervening in the meeting of your grandparents. This would result in you not being born. But consider this mind-twisting question. If you weren't born, then who executed the time travel? Let's add another layer to our paradoxical cake with the bootstrap paradox. Here's a scenario. You are a time traveler who carries a book on your journey back in time. You then this book for your younger self to discover, who eventually becomes the author of that book. Fast forward to your older self, you still have that which you carry with you through your time travels. This introduces another perplexing question: who is the real author of the book? These paradoxes, the grandfather and the bootstrap, both pose intriguing dilemmas for any aspiring time traveler. This makes the concept of time travel not only thrilling but also a riddle wrapped in a mystery inside an enigma. If time travel were indeed feasible, it presents a fascinating conundrum for any potential time traveler. So, what does the future hold for time travel? A question that captivates the imagination as we delve deeper into the 21st century. Our ever-broadening knowledge of the cosmos makes the prospect of time travel even more captivating. Emerging have the potential to transform our comprehension of time. Quantum teleportation, for instance, though not traditional time travel, opens up new possibilities. Another fascinating theory is the multiverse concept, suggesting countless parallel universes, each with a unique timeline. If this theory is validated, then we could be traveling not only time, but also across different universes. Even though these are still theories, they highlight humanity's boundless curiosity and persistent pursuit of the unknown. As a result, the future holds limitless potential, just like time itself. Possibilities are as infinite as time itself. In conclusion, time travel remains a tantalizing concept that straddles the boundary between science fiction and reality. It's a topic that has captivated us, prompting queries about historical tourism, timeline changes, and the possibility of correcting past mistakes. We've explored its pop culture portrayal as well as real-world experiments, but numerous questions linger. Can we overcome time travel hurdles? Is it just speculation or could it materialize? What do you think? Is time travel a fact or just a flight of fancy? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. As we prepare to conclude this captivating exploration through the intricacies of time, we extend an invitation for you to join our community of thinkers. If the concept of time travel captivates you, and you crave more intellectually stimulating journeys, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support fuels our content creation, enabling us to deliver more thought-provoking videos. We're not just exchanging ideas here, we're building a collective of curious minds. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Could time travel be a tangible reality or a fanciful illusion? Would you embark on a temporal voyage if given the chance? As we step out of our time machine, we leave you with this concept. Each of us is a time traveler, progressing into the future, 1 second at a time. Until our paths cross again, remain inquisitive, remain questioning.